Today's lesson is SWOT analysis. Let's study it deeply. So, what is this SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis is a simple, strategic planning method that helps people to identify their qualities and weaknesses. This SWOT analysis divides to four main parts. They are strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. First part is strength. Simply, we are looking at what we have from good side. You can put kindness, good behavior, and skills in here. For example, if we are good at swimming, you can put it in here. Second part is weaknesses. Simply, this means what we need to be improved. Speciality of this part is when we avoid a weakness, it becomes a strength. We put our weaknesses like nervous, overthinking, bad behavior in here. This part is opportunities. Opportunities means what we have to get advantages of. For example, competitions, tournaments, and also parents become the opportunities too. Unless parents are here, we can't get any opportunities, which means no exams, no competitions, no tournaments, no education. You can't get any of these. Threats are the last part of the SWOT analysis. These are the things that harms us. In here, we are putting the things that blocks our success, which means threats. For example, you can put drugs and computer games. Now we are talking about advantages of SWOT analysis. Mainly, we can find our strengths and weaknesses. Also, we can decrease weaknesses. We can avoid threats and can get highest advantages from opportunities. So, if you like our video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment below for your next video. Thank you for watching this video.